Good morning, student. Welcome back in this class. I hope you are healthy and safe at your home. This is the class 9 subject social science, and today we are going to discuss chapter number first of history, and the topic name is the French Revolution, and this is the lecture 5th. And you know, student, the French Revolution occurred in France on 14 July 1789. So student, let's start, and we are going to discuss some topic, and the first topic we will discuss about it, the reign of terror. You know, student, National Assembly prepared constitution in 1791, and after that France became republic, and after that Jacobin clubs formed by weaker section of the society, and after that the Maximilian Robespierre took the power of France. So the time period of Maximilian Robespierre, it was called the reign of terror. After that we will discuss about a directory rules France. Means directory means there was a group of 5 executive member in France. And after that we will discuss about women's role in revolution, because many women they participate in revolution. And after that we will solve some question, that question I have assigned in previous lecture. So student, let's start. Our first topic is the reign of terror, and you can see the picture of Maximilian Robespierre, and the period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the reign of terror, because Maximilian Robespierre followed a policy of control and punishment. Student, you know, the National Assembly of 1791, they prepared constitution in 1791, and they provided right to vote only active citizen. So many people they were disagree with the constitution of 1791, so they formed their many group, and the most famous group was Jacobin club, because all weaker section included in Jacobin club, and their leader name was Maximilian Robespierre. And the time period from 1793 to 1794, Maximilian Robespierre ruled the country of France. And this time period it is called the Reign of Terror, because Maximilian Robespierre followed a policy of control and punishment. He used many stick punishment. So this time period it is called the Reign of Terror. And after that, many people were arrested and tried by a revolutionary tribunal. A revolutionary tribunal, it was the court situated in Paris by a conventional assembly in France. And under the control of Maximilian Robespierre, many people were arrested and they were publicly executed. And these included these enemies, all enemies included, such as nobles, clergy, and the other political member, and even member of his own party who did not agree with his method were arrested, imprisoned, and guillotined. Means those person who were against the policy of Maximilian Robespierre, it included first state member, second state member, and all other political member, and even member of his own party. They were arrested. Imprisoned means they were arrested. After that, they were sent to the jail, and after that, guillotine. Guillotine means the guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. Means guillotine is a device, and people publicly executed by the revolutionary tribunal. And guillotine machine, it was named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented it. So all those who were against the policies of Maximilian Robespierre, all those enemies of Maximilian Robespierre, so these were arrested and imprisoned and guillotined by Maximilian Robespierre. And you can see the picture of guillotine. You know, guillotine is a device, and this device invented by Dr. Guillotine. And with the help of this machine, people were publicly executed by the revolutionary tribunal in France. Topic is various reform introduced by Robespierre. And Maximilian Robespierre belonged to weaker section of the society, and he wanted to provide equality in the society. So firstly he issued some law placing a maximum selling on wages and prices. So the use of expenses wide floor was forbidden, and meat and bread were rationed. According to him, all person they got equal quantity and quality of meat and bread because he wanted to provide equality in the society. So firstly the use of expenses white flour was forbidden, and all person use the same quality of flour. And after that, peasants were forced to transport their grain to the city because the prices of food grain fixed by the government, and they forced to the peasant, and peasant forced to transport their grain to the nearby city, and they were sell their product in the price of fixed by the government. Next topic is churches were shut down and buildings converted into barracks or offices because Maximilian Robespierre did not believe any religion, so he was shut down all churches and buildings converted into barracks or offices. Barracks means a large building or a large building they used for soldiers and laborers, and he pursued his policy very harshly. His policy were very hard and very strict, and according to him, all person, men and women, were called as citizen and citioni. Means according to him, all person, all men, they were called citizen, and women, they were called citioni. Due to his hard policy of the Robespierre, even his supporter and his enemies, such as first state member, second state member, his supporter, his party member, left him in the end, and finally he was convicted by revolutionary tribunal, means a court in 28 July 1794, and he was arrested and sent to the guillotine. And you know the guillotine is a device, and he was publicly executed by the revolutionary tribunal. So it was the ended of Maximilian Robespierre because due to his hard policy. So it was the ended of the reign of terror. And next is a directory rules France, means after the fall of the Jacobins, means Maximilian Robespierre executed publicly in 28 July 1794, and it was the ended of reign of terror. So after the fall of the Jacobins, the wealthier middle class, mean the third state member, richer middle class of third state member, they seized the power of France, and after that they prepared new constitution of France, and according to the new constitution, only rich person they had right to vote. So according to the new constitution, poor people had denied the right to vote. And the next is, it provided for two elected legislative council, and this council appointed a directory. Means according to the new constitution formed by wealthier people of the third state member, and new constitution provided two elected legislative council, and after the legislative council appointed a directory. And directory means directory, it is an executive made of five member, means is directly made up of five executive member because they wanted to distribution the power among different executive members, so they formed a directory. And after that, the directors often clash with the legislative council, and the council often dismiss the director because legislative council they did not agree with the decision of director. So legislative council always dismiss the director decision. So due to the political instability of the directory and political instability situation in France, and military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte got benefit of the situation, and he took the power of France because due to political instability between directory and legislative, so all the power took by Napoleon Bonaparte. And the next is, in spite of all these changes, mean throughout all these changes in the form of government, the ideals of freedom, equality, and fraternity remained inspiring ideal that motivated political movement for France and the rest of Europe. Means the ideal of freedom, equality, and fraternity, they motivated France movement and the rest of Europe, and all we also adopt the idea of a French Revolution, freedom, equality, and fraternity. And the next topic is women in revolution. Means many women they participated in revolution in France, and women were active participate in French Revolution because men were going for a war, and women they look after their family member and they earn income, and they had to work for a living as fruit and vegetable seller and domestic servant because they had to work for their survival. So sometime they sold out the fruit and vegetable and they worked as a domestic servant in rich family. And after that they did not have access to education. Only the daughter, means all girls they did not have right to get education. Only the daughters of first state and second state and the wealthier member, means rich section of the society of third state, could study at convent, but all girls they did not have right to get a education. Means only richer sections girls they had right to vote, the right to education. And after that women in France they were disappointed with the constitution of 1791 because according to the constitution of 1791 they included in passive citizen, and according to the constitution they did not have right to vote. So all women they came together and they demanded the right to vote, and they wanted to be elected, means they wanted to become the member of assembly, and they wanted to hold political office, mean they want to get some position in administration. So to express their view and demand, so women started their own group. They formed their own group. On that group they were discussed about different political, and they because they wanted to get equality in the society because they demanded the right to vote. So women started their own political club. On that club, they were discussing about political policies and their plans. And on that time, there were 60 clubs of women in French society. But the most important club of women was the Society of Revolutionary and Republic Women. Means there were 60 club, but the most important club such as the Society of Revolutionary Republic Women, such as the Club of Men of the richest of the poor section of the society, such as Jacobin Club. Jacobin Club is the most important club for men, but the women most important club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republic Women. And the next topic is, the revolutionary government had introduced some laws, and according to new laws schooling was compulsory, means all schooling system was made compulsory for girls, and all girls in the society they belong to first state, third state, and second state, they were easily got the education, and their father could no longer force them into marriage against their will because according to the new revolutionary government all girls they had the right to choose their to choose her life partner, so their father could no longer force them into marriage against their will because girls had power to choose their partner. And after that, divorce was made legal and could be applied for by both men and women. According to the new revolutionary government, divorce was made legal and could be applied for by both men and women, because women had the right to choose their life. Okay, so women also applied for divorce, and after that, women could now be trained for any type of job, and they could become artists and they run small business, because the main purpose of law were passed to improve the lives of women. So all these situation provided for the improvement of women's life. And the next is during the reign of terror, means the time period of Maximilian Robespierre, and the government order for the closure of women's club and ban their political clubs, because they did not want to provide equal right to vote to women, so they close all women club in France, and many famous women were arrested and executed by the government, and examples such as Olympe de Gouges, she protested against the constitution and the declaration of right of men and citizen. And after that, in 1791, she wrote a declaration of right of women and a citizen. And due to long struggle of women for voting and equal political right, and it was finally in 1946 that women in France won the right to vote. So in France, all women, they got the right to vote in 1946, after long struggle of political right and right to vote. So student, today your homework solution. Question number first. What were the Jacobins clubs? Who was their leader? An answer. Jacobin clubs were political clubs of the people. These became an important rallying for the people who wished to discuss the government policies and plans and their own form of actions. And Maximilian Robespierre. And question number second, when had France became a republic? An answer. The newly elected assembly was called the Convention. On 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France a republic. And a republic is a form of government where the people elect the government, including the head of the government. And question number third, which is the national anthem of France and who wrote it? When was it sung for the first time? An answer is Marseillaise is the national anthem of France, and it composed by poet Roger de Lisle, and it was sung for first time by volunteers of Marseille as they marched. Choose their job. And next, these powers, instead of being concentrated in separated and assigned to different institutions, the legislature, executive, and judiciary, and this made France a constitutional monarchy. And the Constitution of 1791 vested the power to make laws in the National Assembly, which was indirectly elected. And student, today your homework. Firstly, you have to revise chapter and after that find out questions answer. And question number first today, what was directory? And question number second, name any women club of France. And question third, which laws were made to improve the status of women in the French society. Question number fourth, what do you understand by the term of reign of terror in France? And question number fifth, state three major outcomes of the French Revolution. And student, All question you have done in your fair notebook. Keep learning and thank you.